Hi traders, just looking at gold here on the daily chart. I've just taken a position, actually I took it a couple of hours ago on gold here. Got US inflation tomorrow, a couple of big, decent, well fairly decent waves to the upside here. Just looking to see if this daily 55 can hold and we can get some sort of pop up into at least the resistance and possibly beyond, who knows. So I'm just buying a decent pivotal level just above the 1200 mark. We'll stop under 1200 and then we'll see where that one can go. 3 hours left in the Dow and we are just swooning around this area here, so I'm not touching it. Just looking to see if this is a sort of period of the year when you do start to see some weakness and some selling, and we could see that pulling off, so just leaving it. The DAX is just hovering around this resistance area. Potentially could go and see 12,000. Yeah, once it starts hanging like this, it's difficult to get a handle on where we might go, so I will just leave it. If we do pull back to 650 and hold, then that's a potential for an entry. If we do close above 850, 900, then that could potentially wind its way back to 12,000 plus. So just watch out for those levels. This Euro US is trying to base here, just moving sideways. US inflation tomorrow, that could be the make or break of that. If the inflation is weak, I'd expect that to push up. So you've got a choice. You could either try and buy a pullback here. The best option, by far the best option, is to leave it and see what happens as we come out of Friday. Because we are in decision land there. Whichever way we come out of that box is going to be telling. Alright, so let's see if it can close above tomorrow. What else have we got? Pound yen has gone bonkers. That's right up at resistance. Do I think it can go higher? We've got RSI is high. No, potentially seeing a divergence there, so it's certainly a lower probability to buy a pullback here. But let's see. We do appear to be in leg 3, which is struggling with this level. Bust through that tomorrow. I would buy a pullback in today. I just wouldn't load my boots. That's all. Because we could, if we can, close above here and hold 190. We're going to 195. Oil. Yeah, this is holding. Keep out of the way while we get inflation data out of the way. I would, if any inflation data, have a look at it after the inflation data if you're interested, because this could be quite a key market as well as gold to trade after the inflation data. Let's have a quick look at stocks. Facebook is just in an interesting area. I would leave it for now, just wait. I would like to see a deeper drop into this buyer's bar before I get interested, so I'm just going to stand aside. Bank of America is holding up. Potash. I think this is a very good play. I really like this chart. Nice rounded base down there. That's a buy at 33.10. You can see 33.10 in potash. Baidu is in play. Just be careful. Yeah, these stocks are basing, and stocks will push up into the summer, and this is possibly one of them. 3D Systems is beginning to hold here. Just if we can go into tomorrow like that, I'll be happy. Slightly underwater. Let's see if we can now close above 23 to get that going. I still think we can, so I'm going to stick with that. Right, so I'll finish there and see. I'm in the room tomorrow morning, but not in the US session, purely because Fridays, particularly Friday afternoons, are lower probability. All right, thanks for listening, and see you soon.